Hello, my name is Mark Gray, and for those of you who don't know me, I'm very well known across the country for making the following statement, and the statement is this. Perhaps the toughest challenge any entrepreneur, CEO, or business owner will ever face is that of raising capital. I spent most of my professional career in investment banking and managing private equity investments. Since 1999, I've led more than $300 million of equity investments for a wide array of companies, perhaps one just like yours. And the investors, banks, and existing shareholders in my deals have generated a pre-tax profit of more than $1.7 billion. So I have a lot of experience in the art of raising capital and putting deals together. In The Money Hunt, the secrets to attracting capital, I'm going to share with you right now some of the secrets of finding the funding that's right for you right now. One of the most important secret keys for attracting your capital is understanding what we refer to as your risk-reward profile for your company or for your deal. Now listen, every investor that has ever lived has already deeply ingrained in our subconscious mind the risk-reward profile of investments that we are comfortable with, and it's different for each investor. And listen, it is matching your deal's risk-reward profile with the comfort zone of the investors that you're speaking with more than anything and everything else all together that will determine your success in attracting capital. If you don't do this, you will never, I repeat, never have great deal success in attracting capital. And if you do, you'll have a rocky and miserable relationship with your investors throughout the life of your deal. In The Money Hunt, you will learn the language of money, how to communicate with investors so they are genuinely excited about seizing the opportunity with you. Don't try to BS investors. You can't. Money is almost always smart. You don't need to try to seem further along in your business than you really are, or say, hey, I've got a purchase order from some major big box retailer like Walmart, when you really don't, unless you've actually got a signature on a piece of paper from Walmart that you both signed. You don't have to, and in 30 days or less, I'll show you how to precisely match your business and the stage, sector, size, even geography of where you're located with the exact investors that are perfect for you. I guarantee it. It's important to know your audience. It's not about what you're trying to sell as much as understanding what the investor is trying to buy. Dale Carnegie said that best in his book from the 1930s, How to Win Friends and Influence People. The best way to show that you're committed is to know your plan. When asked by investors, and I see this all the time, when asked what is their use of proceeds, what will you use the funds for? The CEO will look around to his teammates or fumble through the notes and go, we're going to spend it? Or how about I'll pay myself 2 years back salary? Or my absolute favorite is, hey, we're going to pay back the earlier investors that loaned us this money when it didn't work so well. None of these are a hit with investors. Know your plan. Know your numbers. Understand this. It is not the investor's responsibility to get it or even read the plan. It is your responsibility to explain it. And in The Money Hunt, we'll teach you how to do it crystal clear, right to the point, every time. Your entrepreneurial passion needs balance, and that balance comes in the form of rational thinking. You know, we live in the greatest country in the world for entrepreneurship. We sponsor and revere entrepreneurship. It does a lot of great things. One of the biggest things it does, it is the greatest source of creating new jobs in America. And America needs our entrepreneurs more than ever right now to recreate and rekindle that sense of entrepreneurship in America. But to make the same mistakes over and over again is not wise. That's the purpose of The Money Hunt, is to help break through that next level. And one example that you'll meet in The Money Hunt is a gentleman who had tried for almost a year to fund his deal and had failed time and time again. And with some coaching from your Money Hunt coach, Mark Gray, and the system that you're about to receive, he was able to raise successfully $20 million on the very first day we took his business plan to market and later took his company public. So he took repeated frustration and delays and failures and setbacks and turned it into tens of millions of dollars of success. And I can show you how to do the same thing in 30 days or less. The lesson is not to repeat the same mistakes again and again, and in the Money Hunt, you'll learn the secrets to attracting capital for your business to move to the next level with a lot less pain. Many people have paid a huge price to bring their product to market or launch their business. They've lost their marriage, they've lost their home, even lost retirement savings, maxed out credit cards, or all of the above. You don't have to go through the long cycle and learning curve that many of us have gone through. I'll show you the secret keys in 30 days or less to do it right now, to find the funding that's right for you. I remember the story of George Lucas when he was creating the Star Wars trilogy of movies. And he had shopped it everywhere, all over Hollywood, for the funding for his vision, his big dream. He was told repeatedly, it will never work, it wouldn't be a hit. Look who's laughing now. And I'm reminded finally of the quote from the great hockey player Wayne Gretzky, you always miss 100% of the shots that you don't take. Entrepreneurs have that special ability to take action. They're willing to do whatever it takes to succeed. They want to live the life that they've imagined. They have the ability, the special ability, to take an idea and take action. And that's more than most people ever do with their life. It's one of the most profound lessons of my life, watching and working with some of the greatest entrepreneurs in America. Thank you for joining me. But this is the beginning, not the end. This is about taking your business to the next level, and it comes with two guarantees. The first guarantee, 100% money back if in 30 days you're not absolutely thrilled with the Money Hunt, the secrets to attracting capital, my personal guarantee, just return it for a full refund. The second guarantee is this, I guarantee you, if you don't get the Money Hunt, you'll be getting the same tired results tomorrow that you've been getting in the past. Opportunity knocks once. I urge you to do whatever it takes to take advantage of this opportunity today. Get the Money Hunt program. Thank you for joining me. This is Mark Gray, and I'll see you on the Money Hunt.